In this module, we are going to reinforce of our concepts regarding globalization and democracy. Local level. Globalization of politics serves as a driving force to practice democracy at the local level everywhere in the world. The basic idea revolves around the following features: autonomy of individual, equality, provision of basic human rights, transparency, efficiency. It has become the habit of the Western world. They try to find out solution of every contemporary world issue in democracy. Democratic globalization. Shift to an institutional system of global democracy. Beyond the nation states, democracy should be practiced at global level, creating international organizations to deal with political, economic, and social issues. Concept of global citizens, equal participation of global citizens in global activities. It is impossible because this world is highly uneven. There are rich countries, there are poor countries. There are countries in which people are living below poverty level, in abject poverty. So, expecting from those individuals that they are going to run their system through democratic values, it is impossible. There is no global system, there is no global government. Either we have to understand the local values, and everyone has to live according to those values. Besides making many other significant changes, globalization has changed the political culture of many countries around the world. According to David Head, democracy is commonly being considered as the best form of government. Therefore, it should be practiced at local as well as international level. This is how they believe. They are not thinking beyond democracy. It is the 21st century. We must understand that democracy may be the best source to an end. It is not a best end product itself. It is. It should be considered as the best mean for a better end product. Some scholars argue that globalization did not contribute in the expansion of democracy. Instead, globalization poses a threat to the democratic states in the following ways. State autonomy is reduced, undermines patriotism due to internationalization, weakness the it weakens the national identity due to weak territorial boundaries. This is how sometimes we see that democracy is very much dependent on globalized processes or vice versa. Anti-globalist theory. Instead of strengthening democracy, globalization has led to the decline of nation state. Economy is no more in the control of government but in the hands of multinational corporations and international financial institutions and World Trade Organization. International trade is going through that World Trade Organization. Flow of people and goods across the borders is going on owing to the sophisticated transportation. Transnational companies have undermined the economic role of the state to a level, not to any certain level.